How to remove page number from page 1 in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Word document and then first in the ribbon bar, head over to Insert, and then you can see page number in the header and footer section. Now you can choose wherever you want to put your page number, top of the page, bottom of the page, anywhere that you want. Now, let's say you don't want this page number 1 in the first page, then you just need to tick on different first page. Now you can see that the one has been removed from the first page. You can scroll down and you can see it will be on the second page. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.